My name is Jamie Pearson with Middleburg Bank. Leadership to me is to go out and challenge everybody, regardless of level, to improve quality of life, encourage others to do the best that they can, and to really support the community. It is the ability to take others, to grow them, and to have them pass on that and pay it forward to other people.
People of the community and Loudoun County have seen me through college, through all my internships and work, and so it is my responsibility to show my appreciation and give back. We have given back to multiple nonprofits, some of which in the past year are the Women in Technology Education Foundation, the Final Salute, which is a nonprofit organization that helps homeless female veterans and their children get into safe and suitable housing, as well as give them other supportive materials to get them back into the work. Give back to our community. We make sure that they all know that we appreciate them for their support.
I'm Victoria Rawlings with AR Group. To me, community leadership is finding a need within the community and investing your time to do something about it. This is important to me because when I think back over the years of all the people who have been influential in my life with regards to leadership, I think back to my mother being the first person who really got me involved in volunteering, getting involved in different organizations, and being a mother myself, I now want to be that influential person in my son's life. If you give your employees time to get involved and take time out of just their daily schedules to invest, it really can make a big difference.
I am Lindsay Shamblin. I work for the federal government in human resources. While community leadership is important, community involvement is the most important part. Giving back your time and your talent to the community in which you live, work, or enjoy for pleasure. I enjoy giving back to the community and serving others. I hope that I'll have a lasting impression on the community and that I'll have a positive impact for the hard work, talents, and efforts I've put forward.